We found value in something that people just throw away. I'm Ivan, the founder of Grill Design here in Milan. When I talk to people about what we do with food waste, they are so inspired, and this is what we want to do, inspire people. E prendiamo arance e limoni. As beautiful as this fruit is, the peel is thrown away and we are trying to do something about it. Grazie, ciao! We started asking bar, restaurant for orange waste, but they say, who's this weird guy asking for orange peel? So how do we make an orange lamp? First we dry up the orange peel, then we transform it in a biomaterial to make a lamp with 3D printers. We made a design from oranges, lemon, coffee grounds, and we are experimenting with shell eggs and tomatoes, and there are so many other possibilities. Zero waste to me means that we had to use what we already have, and this is what we're really trying to do here. We can't just work for money, we have to work for a purpose to make a better world.